One of the key things about entrepreneurship is learning to weather the storm. And the businesses that you typically make it are the ones that understands storms are going to come, and they usually come hard. So how are you going to survive, and how are you going to adapt, and how are you going to change in order to make it?
In every industry, there are highs and lows, peaks and valleys. In digital, there's no difference. Not an overnight success. It's about building a relationship. When the storm hits, the relationship always comes into question. How to weather that storm and how to maintain the relationship that is key in social media, in digital media.
When it comes to weathering the storm, when it comes to video, one of the main things is communication with your team and with the people you're working on with the video, so that you can bear the storm together and get a good product that you want in the end.
There's always a calm after every storm. How are you going to ride it out?